How to draw lines on IQ option. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to draw a line on the chart in IQ option, then the process is quite easy, so let's follow along. First things first, open the IQ option app and then choose any assets so that the chart appears. I'm just going to select this same trading pair over here at the top, and once you're inside the chart page of the specific trading pair, go ahead and look for this menu at the bottom left corner. From here, select the pencil button or the graphical tool button and select one of the lines you'd like to create in your chart. You'll see several different line options such as trend line, horizontal line, a vertical line, etc. Select the line tool. I'm just going to choose this first line tool. Now, to draw the line, go ahead and click on the chart where you want the line to start. I'm just gonna do it right here at the top, and once you have the line's starting point, drag your mouse to where you want the line to end and click on it. Now right after you do that, you'll be able to see a line drawn. You can change the color of the line, its thickness, its position whenever you want. You can change the color from the color palette at the bottom. You can select the width. You can also clone the line using the tool, hide the line, lock or unlock the line, or even delete the line. So that way you will be able to draw the lines on the chart in IQ option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.